Okay, PT left. I mean 13. It's longer than usual. Rubber band power. Pull string. Yeah, it's stronger than usual. Yeah, there's. It's awesome. Anyways, I'll show you. Yeah, sure, it's this thing. Put it in this thing. Oh yeah, yeah. It's trigger power. There's a trigger. There's a trigger right here. Okay, here we go, and you shoot it. Can you even see it? You saw that, right? Okay. What else can I show you about this thing? Oh yeah, the side. Can you see it? These are sides right there. That. Yep. Yeah, I got the button at the side. Anyways, it's a 13th model. PT13. PT13 BTXXI. Oh, I made this. I thought of this design. You think it's similar to yours? It may be similar, but I didn't get it from your ideas. I thought of it by myself. Up to the trigger.